it comes to skin hydration, you may think that it's only part of your skincare routine and totally separate from makeup, but that doesn't always have to be the case. Hey everybody, today I'm going to be telling you guys how to use skincare as part of your pre-makeup makeup routine. I think it's very important that you have a skincare routine, but if you don't, or even if you do, it's good to have specific products that you use when you do your makeup routine. We do AM routines, we do PM routines, some of us even have midday routines that involve sunscreen and other products, but this we're going to specifically talk about achieving a radiant looking skin by doing a pre-skincare routine. And the products that we're going to be focusing on today are products from Pixi Beauty. I have 4 new products that they sent my way. I did receive these complimentary and all opinions are 100% my own. And you can do this routine in under 5 minutes. So we're going to start the pre-makeup skincare routine. Right now I have done my brows, and yes, I know I went on my Instagram and I talked about how I don't understand how girls do their makeup how girls do skincare with a full face of makeup. However, I think it's totally okay to have some makeup on your face if your skincare is part of a makeup routine. So I have some pretty amazing products from Pixi, and it's going to help me get really radiant, beautiful skin. So the first product is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow O2, and it even says on the back this is an instant effect brightening boost for bigger vent or makeup application. So this is specifically designed for your pre-makeup application, and since I'm not applying it to the brows, I figured the brows would be safe to apply. They look pretty strong on me right now, but trust me, they're going to work with the look. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of this product to my face. You see it starts off clear. So you can see it starts off clear. By the way, my hands are totally stained from when I did my wash off bronzer, but we're going to get this applied to the face. So you can see that this product instantly bubbles up as you apply this to the skin. It starts off clear and easily bubbles. So this is a product that's perfect for a fast application. So if you're in a rush and you want some beneficial radiant skin, the Pixi Skin Treats Glow O2 Oxygen Mask is going to give you just that. Instead of layering on products for a radiant look, this helps your skin to actually be radiant with or without makeup. I love how light and soft this product feels. You can feel it tingling and cooling, so it's a great product for the summer. Once the bubbles settle down, you can wipe this off with a moist washcloth. Bubbling action helps to draw impurities out of the skin in a more gentle and sensitive way. As you can see, it's very simple and fast to remove, which makes it very easy to include as part of a makeup or pre-makeup skincare routine. Now I have 2 oils, so depending on what you're doing, see, I'm doing my makeup, so I'm going to skip out on the overnight glow serum, but I did apply this last night and it did help my skin to look better overall, and it made my skin just look a little bit more radiant. You can see where the light is hitting my cheek. It looks like I have like that subtle natural highlight on. But today I'm going to be using the Skin Treats Jasmine Oil Blend. Now this product helps skin to recover from loss of moisture and dullness, plus it helps to repair damage as well as calm and restore stressed and unbalanced skin. And I find that this oil is very calming. It's perfect for use in the morning or PM, and I like to use this on my skin as part of a pre-makeup skin routine. Now I'm going to be adding this Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mist. This is one of those products I will apply both under and over my makeup because I feel like it gives my skin hydration, which makes foundation, primer, and basically any prep powder you're putting on top of your skin. It makes your skin look softer and smoother. And also, if you use this in the middle of the day, it'll help to rejuvenate your skin, and it'll help to really make that radiance pop, and it'll make you look very fresh rather than looking like you've caked on a lot of makeup. So when it comes to a makeup routine, whether you are a minimalist and you're out the door in 5 minutes with some mascara, or you are a maximalist and you have the full glam, crease, glitter, all that stuff, you can use this in either one of those routines. This routine is also perfect for those with anti-aging concerns and those who have aging skin. So if you are 40 plus, 50 plus, 60 plus, even beyond, this is a good routine that you can get into because it's going to deliver a lot of moisture back to your skin. So if you don't fall into the category of minimalist or maximalist, you fall into the I don't wear makeup at all category, trust me, this is also good for you because since it's skincare, it's not going to be adding any makeup to your skin. It's going to be adding hydration, de-stressing, all these benefits that it's going to be delivering to your skin is going to make your skin look better. You're going to be one of those people that's like, what foundation are you wearing? Oh no, this is my natural skin. So you're going to be one of those people. So as you see, this is really easy to follow. It is 3 products plus the serum that you can use at night. Your skin, it's gonna make it look like your skin but better. And even though I'm a maximalist, I love a good skincare routine. I love a good pre-makeup skincare routine, because when I go to put those products on, they're not gonna look cakey, and I don't need to use as much concealer. I don't need to use as much primer. I don't need to use as much foundation, and all of these things I save money on. Because I don't know about you guys, but makeup is expensive, and if I can save money in my expensive foundation or my expensive primer by using a good skincare routine, which is actually going to benefit me in the long run anyway, I'm not just wiping it off my face, then I'd rather do that. Plus, Pixi is one of those brands that I have been using for years. I trust them. There's never a product I've used by them that I've been like, oh my god, I hate this. Never ever. And the best thing about them is they don't break the bank. Like, you don't have to go to Sephora and drop some serious coin on Pixi. Nope, you can head to your local Target, pick up some candles, your milk, and boom, you can get your skincare right there before you check out. So I like that it's available in a lot of convenient locations, and I think that's a big plus, because you know what, not everybody wants to order off the internet. So guys, have you ever tried these Pixi products? Are you a fan of Pixi? Do you like the skin treats? Let me know what your favorite products are below, and if you haven't tried them, let me know what's preventing you from trying the Pixi by Petra brand. Maybe I can answer some questions that you may have. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a like, and if you aren't already, subscribe. And if you aren't already following me on Instagram at Recycled Stardust, head over there, give me a follow. I'm always posting food, fashion, flat lays. I've even branched off into fitness and other things. I'm trying to be an all-encompassing channel that kind of gets all your interests in one place. If there's anything you'd like to see, of course, shoot me a DM, a message. I read everything you guys say, and I'm here to help you and answer all your questions in any way that I possibly can. So be sure to check it out, and as always guys, thank you so much for watching.